Here's how some top assets performed from May 26 to June 3. Bitcoin climbed from 106,400 to 109,440. That's a solid 2.85% gain, keeping the bulls hopeful. Avalanche had the strongest week, jumping 6.6% from $21.60 to $23.07. Altcoins are showing strength. Nvidia also inched up 1.38%, continuing its AI-fueled momentum, rising from $135.50 to $137.38. But not all news was good. Tesla took a hit, dropping 5.56% from $362.89 down to $342.69. Investors are watching closely. What will next week bring? Stay tuned.